let's unbox and try out this AZUREBEAUTY vegan nail polish set. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and as you can see here, I have a nail polish set from AZUREBEAUTY. So first off, thanks to AZUREBEAUTY for sending this out to me, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment before you go. Now, as you can see here, I have a total of 4 different nail polish colors, 1 glossy top coat, and even a nail polish remover, all from AZUREBEAUTY. Isn't that nice? We have a little thank you card here, and also within this set we have just the general user manual, which will tell you how to use this nail polish. And yes, this is regular nail polish. This is not gel, this is nail polish. So you don't have to worry about having an LED UV light at all. All you need is air, okay? And on the back of the box, it shows the full ingredients as well as the directions. And the great thing about this particular collection is it is vegan. So this is nail polish that's good for you. No harm done whatsoever. I like the bottles, like the shape of it and how thin it is. It is a standard size. And I do like the label. The label is iridescent, and then the handle is like a rose gold color. That is so cute. And as you can see, as I go through these colors, these are all different shades of nude. So whatever your skin tone, there is a nude polish in here, perfect for you. Really, all colors are good for all shades. And there is a top coat, so you don't have to worry about choosing what top coat am I going to use. It's already there. And even nail polish remover. Isn't that something? So basically, this is like a one-stop nail polish solution. Everything you need is all in the box. I think this will be a great gift idea. So anyway, what I'm doing here is swatching these out here. This color right here, number 3, it's like a milky white. And if you want to do melt bath nails, these will be perfect. I like the shape of this brush. It's nice and curved on the end, so you'll be able to get in close to the cuticle. This next color is like a baby pink. Really pretty. Super cute. If you work somewhere where you're not supposed to wear bright colors in your nails, this entire set would be great. This would be great for kids who are just starting out with nail polish, because everything is all in one kit. And this is supposed to be quick drying, and you're only supposed to need 2 layers. So this is why they call this a 3-2-1 system. So you only need about 3 minutes to dry the nail polish completely. You only need 2 layers to get the proper opacity for the particular nail polish, and it will last for 1 week or more. And that is perfect, because who wants to go through the work week having to worry about your nails chipping or anything like that? So this first coat I did dried in less than 3 minutes. I don't even think it was 1 minute, honestly. And it was dry. So I was really surprised. And trust me, it's been a very long time since I have tried a regular nail polish. Okay, so I went ahead and tried the top coat just to see what it looked like here on one of the samples I have, and then I went ahead and just did 2 coats of each color and then put top coat on it, and you saw how shiny that was. So now I'm going to go ahead and just do my own nails, come up with a little something. I'm going to use every single item within this box. You're even going to see me use that nail polish remover. Isn't that something? So, check out AZUREBEAUTY. They're available on Amazon. I will go ahead and have a link in the description box so you can click right on it. Check this out. They not only have this set, but they have many other sets. So if you're looking for something that is a healthy nail polish, you're not looking to use a LED or UV light, you just want basic nail polish that will look good on any skin tone, then you want to make sure you click that link. And it's not too early to start Christmas shopping. So this is a great gift to give at any time, not just Christmas or birthdays, anything. Give to your daughter who's just now starting getting the nail polish. There's no age restrictions, so start them as early as possible. Or, you know, if you're more experienced, it doesn't matter. Each one of these colors look great on everyone. So remember that, okay? So I'm going to be quiet for a little bit, and I'll see you in the end once I am done creating this nail set. Okay, I'm back. I did end up going with 3 coats because I didn't really make the coats even as possible. Like I said, it's been a long time since I used regular nail polish, so I was not ready. But now that we're at the end, I'm putting on the top coat. I love what I created. Super fast. Beautiful. Yeah, the roses is a cute curly touch. And now to add in the cuticle oil to get my cuticles nourished. This is so pretty. So I have to say again, thank you to AZUREBEAUTY for sending this out to me to try. It was great being able to try just regular nail polish again. And other than that, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I'll talk to you later, roses.